Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks for this week. If you're into momentum stocks, swing trading, day trading, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos and see what I'm trading. And also be sure to hang out till the end of this video when I'm going to be revealing my two favorite software stocks for the week. Now the bullish environment continues. You can see hitting new highs in the S&P 500 here, or flirting with new highs at least. Very nice looking chart against a very strong seasonal backdrop. The period from October through end of April is usually a very strong period, particularly the fourth quarter when the economy is humming along as it appears to be now. So also the QQQs, nice uptrend. And what changed this week is the small cap index. You can look at the IWM as the ETF for the Russell 2000. This one looks like it is looking to break out, especially seeing some strength from financials. So against this backdrop of very strong indices, there are a bunch of different stocks that are looking strong as well that are benefiting from this. Facebook and Google would be my two favorite FANG stocks. Facebook been moving sideways here, but looks like it's ready to take a leg higher. Really great looking chart. And it seems like the sentiment around Facebook is still fairly negative, which I like. Means they're not everyone who's going to buy. Google, one we've been talking about for the last couple weeks, breaking out really nicely here. The founders are sort of stepping aside, and the market seems to be liking that news. So hitting new highs as we speak. Congratulations to all of you who've been in Google and Apple for this ride. Apple's another one, a little bit overextended. I'm not as excited about it as some of the other stocks, but certainly still a good long-term hold, I believe. The next group is a couple stocks from last week and the week before. Lululemon breaking out new highs right here. LULU is the ticker. And then Peloton recovering really nicely from the backlash around their Christmas or Thanksgiving commercial. But this one, I think we could be seeing new highs very soon, especially if the market stays strong. That's PTON, Peloton. Next group, I'd like to look at two ETFs, which we've been talking about for a few weeks, which have been doing really nicely. IBB, which is the Biotech Index, and IHI. I like both of these as trades and also as fairly long-term holds against the as the population ages and these various demographic pressures. IHI is the medical devices ETF. I think there's just a lot of room for growth in the companies in this index. Next up are the semis, which we've been talking about for a while. The trend continues. SMH is the way to play it using an ETF. If you want individual names, my favorite are CRUS, which is Cirrus Logic. Broke out on new highs on Friday, testing those highs today. NVIDIA back from the dead. Looks like it came down, almost tested the 50-day moving average last week, and bouncing really nicely off of that. It's got a good looking chart. And then finally TER, which is Teradyne, another semi name, also tested the 50-day moving average and bouncing really nicely here. So I like all the semis as a group. Then I wanted to finish up with some software names that have been on our radar for a while. We've been trading for a while. Autodesk from last week, really nice pushing to all-time new highs here. That's ADSK. PCTY is another one we've been trading. Paylocity, another software name. And finally ANSS, ANSYS. Trading again at new highs here. Just a gorgeous looking chart, hitting new highs on really strong volume, so I like this. Then I wanted to finish with my two favorite new software names that we haven't revisited in a while. SPLK, which is Splunk. It's been a nice breakout after earnings, had some good follow through, and now trading in a range. And you can see here that we're about to get a crossover here, where the 50-day moving average is about to cross above the red line, which is the 200-day moving average. In this environment of this crossing over, as well as the sideways action we've been getting in here, I think we could definitely see another breakout. And then DocuSign, D-O-C-U. I use this all the time for signing legal contracts. It seems if you buy a house or investment property these days, it's usually DocuSign is getting paid to help with your electronic documents. This one, another really nice chart being accumulated by institutions on every dip, and I think this one has quite a ways to run. Now, if you've listened this far and you enjoy my style of teaching, I would encourage you to check out my courses on Trader University, particularly my course Swing Trading with Options and Learn to Trade Stocks Like a Pro, as well as Price Action Trading and Learn to Trade Futures as a Pro. If you're interested in these, click the link in the description notes below. It'll take you to this page, and then you can click on any of these courses, and it'll show you the entire curriculum. Now, I'm currently offering a discount. Normally, access for this 30-day access is $125 tuition. But for my YouTube listeners, I have a coupon code that you guys can use, a discount code. If you just type in YouTube 2019 and then click update, you'll see it takes the price down from $125 a month to just $99 per month for 30 days. And there are no long-term contracts. You can sign up, watch all the courses within 30 days, cancel, and you won't be charged again. And if there are courses you'd like to see on here as a subscriber, you can always request them. And I've actually created whole new courses for my students. So be sure to check out these online courses if you want to go a little bit more in depth than I'm able to do in my YouTube videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And let me know what stocks you're looking at, especially what momentum stocks that you currently like. Drop them in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video.